Hello guys, hi, my name is Joseph, and today I'm gonna be talking about significant figures or number of significance. So to understand significant figures, we have to understand the rules. Mostly we have to know the rules. And the first rule is all non-zero digits are significant. What I mean by that is from 1 to 9, all these numbers, they are significant. So if I have like 1 by itself, that's one significance. 2 is one significance. So let's say I have 12, so 12 will be 2 significant figures. That's the first rule. Just likewise, if I had 6, 2, 4, this is 1, 2, 3 significant figures. They all count as significant. From 1 to 9, remember guys, from 1 to 9, they all significant. 0 between non-zero digits are significant. What that means is if you have, let's say 2 or 5, like, remember in the first rule I didn't put 0 because 0 by itself doesn't count as a significant digit. But now this 0 now it is sandwiched between 2 non-zero numbers, which makes this one 3 significant figures. So if the 0 is sandwiched, it counts as a significant digit. Another example would be 107. 107 would be 3 significant figures. Another example could be like whatever. Let's say 406. That will also count as 3 significant figures. Understood? So the third one is leading zeros are never significant. What we mean by that is mostly 0 that are placeholders. So let's say if I have 0.0003 here, I only have one significance. Remember, from 1 to 9, they all count as significance. So I only have one significance. These zeros, they like placeholders. Most likely this one. So let's say we have another example would be 0.3. That will still count as one significant figures. Because these zeros, they are followed they still follow the 0 number. That's what I mean. So if I have 0.5, I will still have one significant figures. If I have 0.06, I still have one significant figures. So now, let's say I have just a stupid example, 0.0002.835. That will be 1, 2, 3, 4 significant figures. So here I have 4 significant figures. Okay? So remember, from 1 to 9, they are significant digits. And the second one, 0 that is sandwiched between 2 non-zero numbers, still count as significant, just like these examples. And zeros that are placeholders don't count as significant digits. In a number where the decimal point trailing zeros, those to the right of the last 0 digit are significant. So let's say we have 2.0. So 2.0, if you take a look at this number, it doesn't follow a non-zero numbers and it follows a decimal. So that will make it count as 2 significant numbers. I know it's confusing, but pay attention. 2.0, these will follow the non-zero number and it comes after a decimal. So it's 2 significant. Mostly any zeros that comes after the decimal, it count as significant. So another example will be let's say I will go with 4 point 4.05000. So these zeros, they're not placeholders. So everything in these numbers count as significant digits. Because these zero first, it follows the decimal, and these zeros, they follow the non-zero number, so they count. So, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 significant figures. And let's say we have 64.005. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 significant figures also. This is our fifth rule. And our sixth rule will be in a number without decimal point, trailing zeros may or may not be significant. So let's say I have 20. That's what it means. Let's say I have 20. 20, you can realize this zero, it's not sandwich. Going back to our second rule, it's not sandwich, and it is not followed by a decimal. So this zero doesn't count as a number of significant. So in this case, we will only have one significant figure. 50 will be like one significant figure also. 200 will only be one significant figure. 4,000 will only be one significant figure. Alright guys, I hope this helps you like understand significant figures. Our first rule was from 1 to 9, they all count as significant digits. And our second rule was zeros that are sandwich count as significant. And our third rule, zeros that are placeholders do not count as significant digits. And our fourth rule, zeros trailing after a decimal count as significant. And our fifth rule is zeros that are not followed by a decimal or followed a non-zero number is not significant digit. Thank you guys.